So we have Dacia Duster with customer complaint of intermittent power loss, and sometimes even it cuts off the engine, and we're gonna prove that this happens. And I've set up diagnostic tool, and what we're gonna do, we're just gonna check engine control module, and we also don't have any lights. We have traction control light, but that is probably separate issue, just to prove that we don't have any fault codes, but we do have symptoms. And symptoms are specifically in third gear under the heavy load. It will not accelerate. So third gear, full throttle. Now the pedal is on the ground, acceleration pedal. As we can see, totally nothing, just nothing happens, and it judders. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna set data stream, and we're gonna put acceleration pedal position, and another we're gonna check for boost pressure, and we're gonna add rail pressure, so we can see what are we missing, what is disappearing. Just a second. Yeah, acceleration. They're all acceleration, boost pressure, and rail. Should be rail pressure as well. Yes. Yeah, all three of them are set up, and now for some reason on this particular model, acceleration pedal position does not go to 100%, it goes to 1%. So full throttle is gonna show us 125. Okay, so we know that. Now we're gonna go to graphs, and boost pressure is atmospheric, rail pressure 240 bars at the moment, stable. So let's see what is going on under full load. So we have clear road ahead. Let's take it to third gear. So first, second, and third, full throttle, and we have no acceleration at all. Speed goes down. As we can see, rail pressure disappears, and now it's boosting up gradually. So we had rail pressure not building up, but actually going down. Boost pressure is relatively steady. Let's try again. Right, let's try again. First gear. It even happens in second gear, but we're gonna go to third anyway. Right, third gear, full throttle, and now it accelerates. pressure loss. We have pretty steady boost pressure, but yeah, that is an issue, and let me show you what exactly. And take a look at this. We have air in the fuel supply line, which comes to the high pressure pump, and this comes from the filter. And the customer said that these symptoms appeared after the service, and presumably they said they don't remember exactly, but they said they replaced fuel filter, and I think they fitted a budget fuel filter, which on this on Dacia, on Renault, they cause this exact issue. So if you see a lot of air, that means someone fitted budget fuel filter, and we're just gonna go ahead and put a genuine filter, and let's see if this is gonna improve. Right, so took the wheel off, took the wheel arch off, and by the look of it, we have a genuine factory fitted fuel filter, which is a Renault, and we have manufacture date here, which is 03, probably February 3rd, 2015. And by the look of it, it looks like 10 years old filter. It doesn't look like it's a 1 year old filter, because service was carried out 1 year ago, and it does not look like 1 year old filter to me. It's a really dusty, corroded. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put the new filter, and we're gonna go from there and see if that's gonna cure the issue. Unfortunately, looks like this person who serviced this car 1 year ago, they lied to customer. They said that they replaced fuel filter, which is not true by the look of it, and we're gonna probably cut open this filter and see how dirty it is, just to prove the point. Unfortunately, some of the garages are dishonest these days, and it's hard to trust some people, unfortunately. So yeah, we're gonna see how it goes next. Right, so new filter, new fuel filter installed. That is old one. Now let's pump the system, bleed the system. It's got a little pump here, manual pump. This will fill up new filter. We can see some bubbles. It's gonna take a while. Right, so after fuel filter replacement, we don't have any bubbles at all. So it's already very good sign. Let's see the data now. So prepared everything exactly same as we did before. Pedal position, accelerator, pedal position, boost pressure, and rail pressure. Right, so we are ready. Same road. Let's try to look at the cluster first gear, second gear, third gear, full throttle. Oh yes, big difference. Now let's accelerate again, but this time to look at the data. Alright, first gear, second gear, and third gear, full throttle. I think this car is fixed. She accelerated really good now, really steady acceleration, as it should be. So yeah, well done. Unfortunately for customer, he was scammed by, I don't know, some garages. Whoever did the service, they lied to him. They told him they did probably full service, because that would be a part of a full service, I guess. So yeah, even it is a little bit sad, but it was even on the invoice that they did fuel filter. So unfortunately this was a bit of a scam. Anyway, this car is fixed now. Just wanted to clarify that we don't have any drop in rail pressure anymore. Before, on full acceleration, it was going even to 0 bars. Now, as you saw, it increases the same as with the acceleration and position of the pedal. Obviously, when the when the engine speed goes up, rail pressure should also go up. So this is what we see now.